Hey everyone, get out of the way, but something really unexpected happened. Let me tell you what happened. As soon as she moves out the way. Well, let me tell you what's been going on here at the house and overall in general. What are you doing? I know you missed me, didn't you? I know I missed you too. We didn't get much time together, have we? Yeah. Y'all know that I worked really hard on my garden this year because I wanted to have a garden that was manageable and I was able to work with it. Well, nothing happened just the way I had planned again. I mean, I can't win or lose no matter what I'm going to do here at this house. But, you know, what do they say? You make lemonade out of lemons? Well, I'm going to have to make lemonade out of what I got left. But here's the update. What happened. Tony and I had COVID, and not to the point that we had to go in a hospital, but it was pretty bad. He was running high fevers for almost 4 days, and then after his fever broke, I've gotten it, and I was running high fever. So we actually got him well enough to, you know, for him to get better and for him to take care of me. Well, set that, you know, I don't know that I have worked really hard on my garden, and I was doing good at the farm, my iris bed and everything. So, yeah, let me show you what happened while we were gone in our beds, being sick and feeling miserable. This is what happened to my garden. Let me show y'all. So, I moved my fencing around from my chicken area. And I had to wait for it to rain because the ground was so hard that I could not get the stakes in the ground. And my lettuce and my kale and all the stuff that I have, you know, grown, and it was doing really, really good, was taken over by grass. So I said, what the heck? It was chicken food anyway for them right here, so I'm just going to move the fencing around. So that's what I did on this part. I'm not going to try to fight this because it will take me forever to get this grass pulled out and being separated. It's just not worth it. So I moved the fencing around it and let the girls just go at it. Let me show y'all. So this area back here, all this was overgrown, and the chickens couldn't barely walk in here anymore, so they have that little walk area to go back and forth and everything. So I went ahead and weeded all that, and this is really the first really big thing I've done after having COVID, because I'm still struggling with the energy and not having enough strength to do anything yet. Plus, on top of everything else, I was only getting better, and I went out here to go to the garden to get me some lettuce. And while I was walking out here to pick some lettuce, I got stung by a hornet 3 times on my right arm. Man, talking about hurting. So, you know, I just went along with and did what I did. Went back inside, put some cream on, and, you know, took Benadryl, and, you know, did that. But the next morning I woke up and my arm was swollen. Looks like an elephant trunk. I mean, my arm was swollen like crazy. So my arm has been feeling pretty weak too, and I'm trying to get my strength back. But let me show the rest of the garden. Well, here it is, my overgrown garden that I worked so hard on getting it ready and trying to maintain it. And look at all this grass right here. But, you know, I was going to go ahead and try to scrape it all off and do all that, but that is way too much grass to do. So I went with the weed eater just a little bit in the areas right here when I still had battery in my weed eater, and went around my ears right here. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I went clean up around here, and like I said, I cleaned up all the chicken run area here. I mean, everything was overgrown, and my potatoes are doing really, really good. Look at my potatoes. So I'm really happy about those. And I wonder why they're splitting in the middle. But I got some carrots coming up. So remember y'all when I did them carrots and them tissue paper looking thing? Well, these are the 2 rows right here. We'll see when I pull them up. And here, right here were my round ones. Carrots. And then I got a few more carrots up here. And I got something else growing right here. I don't know what that is. Some kind of maybe squash or cucumbers. Who knows what it's at. I don't remember what all it's in here. And more lettuce right here. And I have a few okra coming up, but not a lot. What is that again? Oh, cabbage. I got me some cabbage. I went and got me some plants. And then my herb box is not looking too great. And I have the peppermints right here growing in the other area. So I pulled it up and moved it in here. But yeah, everything looking really sad. But look, I got 1 pepper coming here. Look at that. 1 pepper. And there's another one coming right here. And more beans. We're gonna be bean rich if they all make. A couple more beans right here. And I got some, they're gonna be, these are the bushel beans, so they're gonna be hopefully doing real good. But something got into it. Oh, look, check it out. Check these little baby beans out. I'm gonna have baby beans. And I got a few more right this row. And this is a watermelon. And I got a couple of them, but it's really hard to see with all the stuff that's overgrown, and it just breaks my heart. I mean, I worked so hard on this, and oh well, I can't change it now. Here are my cantaloupes that I grown for my girls. So they really like cantaloupe in the summertime. Let's hope they'll make. And my beans are, my peas are looking really good. And I've been trying to train them to go around the rope right here, so they're kind of leading them to go around it. So hopefully they'll be okay too. And here's some more flowers I planted. Can't tell, just grass. And I don't remember what this is. I think I might planted some flowers here. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember. I think they're flowers, yeah. And here are some cosmos coming up. And my sunflowers are coming up. I've got a few coming up, so that's nice. My beans are doing pretty good. I really can complain right here. They're doing pretty, and my squash and my cucumbers are not looking too good, but I'm having little cucumbers, squash coming up right there. So I'm excited about that, but all this right here is taken over by grass. So I may have an idea what I can do to prevent it from getting really crazy and give those squashes a chance to grow. And look at all my beans. I love nature and everything, but leave my beans alone. There's enough to eat around here. Look at that. If y'all have any ideas what I can put on here, please let me know. And here's some more of my squash right there. So my goal is to take those boxes and put them in between my squash plants, and hopefully this will help control the overgrown with the weeds and grass and everything. Maybe I get away with it, maybe not, I don't know, but I'll have to do something. I had put too much money into my garden just to throw my hands up in the air and say I'm done. Can't do that. So this is really my last chance what I can do here. And it's the only way I can, instead of spending a buttload of money again, this is the only way I'm going to be able to fix this. Hopefully, cross my fingers, this will work. My tomato plants, I ran out a couple stakes. I'm going to have to get me a couple more stakes right there. So, but they're hanging in there. And I got little red tomatoes coming up. So, Miss Snuggles going over the greener grass on the other side. I had to stop it somewhere. I'm still real congested right now, so I'm sorry for my nasally voice right now, but I'm trying to get over this, so I'm doing what I can do. But I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up, and I'll show you what I'm hopefully will work. Cross my fingers. If you have any other ideas, before you hopefully see this video, please let me know. And if you have any ideas how to, you know, take care of those beans that, you know, I really don't want to go too much chemicals because I'm trying to do it organic. And I try, you know, I've been putting cinnamon on there, ground cinnamon to keep the ants and all that stuff away and to help with the bugs, and also coffee grinds. They don't like coffee grinds. So I'm going to keep collecting my coffee grinds and put cinnamon around my plants as soon as I get those boxes on the ground. And I'm going to stake them with some hooks that I got right here. And I'm going to stake the boxes down so in case, you know, wind comes up, it's not going to get blown away. But here I go. Whew. I'm out of energy right now. I've been doing so much already this morning, and I have nothing left in me anymore tonight. So I'm gonna have to come back and get more boxes, and the ones I got out here is not even going to touch it. So I'm gonna do that and just, I guess, work section by section. But this is what I got. So I went ahead and put the box right here, and then pull the plant above it so it's not touching the ground and, you know, get splattered and all this kind of stuff. But look, I'm getting here some squash is coming up here very soon, so hopefully this will help some protect my plants and not get totally destroyed by bugs, whatever, and with all this mess here. What are you doing? Oh, goodness gracious. Took all the plastic off the outside of the little chicken coop, run and everything, because it was plastic and the sun got shined on it, and I just didn't want to take no chances. It's getting too hot in there, whatever, and catch on fire, whatever. So I'd make sure I took it off because it's pretty warm and that sun gets pretty hot. So I want to make sure my girls are safe. And check it out. My girls, the little babies, are gone. The little ones are gone. This place is so empty without them, I tell you. I sure miss them a whole bunch. Miss them a whole bunch. So, they were a lot of fun, though. They're with their new mama, and they're being a good chickies, and they're doing real good, and it was just a sad day for me to see them leave, but I do fell in love with them, I have to say that. I know you didn't miss them, did you? You don't miss them, did you? Somebody else paid no attention to you, right? Yeah. What are you doing, Snuggle? Snuggle was when she was a baby, well, a baby chick, and then when she got a little bit older, she was such a snuggle bug, so I named her Snuggle. But you know what? She's not a snuggle bug anymore. Maybe just a little bit. And look at my girl. She's doing real good too. I think that's cotton. Yeah, that's. I'm gonna have to do some work in here. One day at a time. But also, my dust bath needs to be redone. So I'm gonna have to redo it and make sure it's up and going again. And you know, it just needs to be done. Look at these girls. They have fresh water to drink, and look what they're doing. Drinking that rainwater. mucky, nasty water, but they're drinking out of there instead of getting that clean water out their container. You're crazy. You know you'll have clean water to drink, right? Or you just gonna make a line up and have a water drinking contest or something? Really? What are you doing? And her feathers are coming back slowly. No, Brownie, she's another story. We're struggling still with her feathers, so hopefully we can get this under control. And what are you doing, Snuggle? These are some crazy chickens. Nice. Oh, they're being mean to you, huh? They're being mean to you. They are. So this is just a little update what's been going on here, and I haven't put a whole bunch of video out, so I'm a little behind with the video, but you know, there's so much stuff we have to do, and with the COVID and everything, and it's just, you know, I'm just happy to be okay now, not having a fever and being so sick like I was. So, and Tony also. We do have a lot of catch up to play. You know, we just can do a little bit of time. We're still trying to get our strength back, but we're taking it as it comes. And garden, I give up. I mean, really, there's not much more I can do. Maybe savage, maybe this much. I'd even put some boxes down and weed it just a little bit more, but I cannot win with this grass anymore, so I'm not even going to try. So our plan is, at the new farm, we're going to build boxes, and we're planning on above ground boxes only for garden. And Tony still wants to do them in ground with the corn and stuff like that. That's fine. He can do whatever he wants, because I'm not going to do it no more. This mess over here, no, I don't want to deal with this no more. I'm just like so over this. Oh, you know, in ground, and I worked so hard, and it is so frustrating, but I can't change it. It is what it is, and you just got to make the best out of it. But hopefully I still get some, you know, some harvest out of it, and we'll see. But I hope to see y'all next video, and God bless y'all. And if you wouldn't mind, push subscribe and the like button. It kind of lets you know when, when I got a new video out, and it would help grow my channel, so I would appreciate it. I will see y'all around, and stay healthy. Bye. Leave the phone alone. Leave the phone alone. Y'all pretty much ate it all away, didn't y'all? Yeah, you almost ate it all. Yes, I know. Get, go. This girl is so nosy. Yes, you are. So, when I left back inside, this was still a whole bunch of, lettuce standing there, but they're pretty much, I mean, they've been pecking it away and they're enjoying it. So at least, hey, I don't have to buy chicken food, so I'll go to the store and buy some, fresh greens for them, so that's good.